All right. It's a beautiful snowy day. I just got off work early. Thank God. They let us out at 4 o'clock because there's a freaking snowstorm coming through now. 3 people just got killed in an accident somewhere on Davis Street. And it was, I guess, people saying it's 3 fatalities. That's sad. God bless their soul, man. God bless the family that's going to go through it. Street, oh my God, this sidewalk is really bad. Going home. Lucky I only live a block away from work. My God. If I didn't, I would have been fucked. Wow. Mailman's still working. Wow, I can't believe this. I really didn't believe it was going to happen. I really did. Off work, feels good, relax, take my medication, nature's promise, God created. Aye. Yeah, it was actually easier a little bit because I had to, I'm sliding. Oh my God.
Well, you guys closed up early today?
Yeah. I heard 3 fatalities just happened. 3 people just got killed. You know, from the accident somewhere in Davis Street. I don't know what that is.
Oh, I know what that was. Wow.
I know.
So the deli's closed?
Yeah, the store is closed.
The whole store?
Yeah.
Well, the whole city market's closed.
Yeah.
Oh.
So bad, man. Crazy. I know, me too. I didn't know until the last minute. I wasn't even prepared for this.
Hold on.
Crazy. Y'all have a good one, man. Hey, I like it.
Yeah.
How you doing, man?
I saw you coming up the street, that's why I came to run into the door.
Oh my God, thank God. I really didn't believe it was gonna happen like this. You heard there was 3 accidents, 3 people died there.
When?
Today before 3 o'clock on Davis Street.
Yeah.
People be rushing too.
Yeah.
Come on. Hey. Crazy, man. Well, God bless y'all, man. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
All right. It's crazy out there. Bad. 3 people, man, it's crazy. There's gonna be more. People rushing, you know. And some people following, you know, taking their time, but other people rushing, and, you know, it's crazy. My son is driving this weather. He's working, both of my sons. God bless them, man. Look at that. I mean, the snow do look beautiful. Beautiful. Hope my husband, John, is still working. So I can have the house for like 1 more hour to relax. Finally. God, it feels good to go home early. All right, everyone. That's all, folks. Everyone have a good day. God bless. And be safe out there in those roads, man. Have a good one. Peace.